children. Today I am going to continue with exercise 17b. So now I am taking question number 5. You can see here this is a quadrilateral, and in this quadrilateral ABCD you are given an angle that is 40 degree, CAB angle 40 degree. You have to find angle ACB. ACB means this angle. For the sake of convenience, let's give one as ACB angle. Then angle ABC you have to find. ABC, suppose this is second angle, number 2. Third is angle ADC. ADC means this, number 3 angle. And ACD, ACD means this angle. Suppose this is number 4 angle. And at last angle CAD. So CAD means this angle you have to find. Say this angle is number 5. Now by using different properties of the quadrilateral, we will find these different angles. As this quadrilateral is a parallelogram. So opposite sides are parallel. These sides are parallel, and AD is parallel to BC. They are also parallel. Now we will find angle ACB. So first angle ACB means this angle 4. Now you can see this angle is 40. As in my previous video, I explained how to find the connection of the angles that is given and that is to find. So the connection between this 4 angle and 40 degree. These angles are alternate interior angles because side CD and side AB, they are parallel. So these angles are alternate interior angle. If you remember, if two lines are parallel and this is an transversal line, then this angle and this angle on either side of the transversal, the angles are called alternate interior angle. Similarly, this and this, they are also, this is another pair of alternate interior angle. And alternate interior angles are equal. So angle 4 is equal to 40 degree. So we are going to start with angle 4. Angle 4 is equal to 40 degree. Mention the reason here, they are alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angles. This is the reason. Now find angle ABC. ABC is this angle. This is to find. But before this angle, we will find some other angles. Now you see, AC is the diagonal and angle 5 is here. This figure is a rhombus. And if you remember, the diagonal property of a rhombus is diagonal bisect the angles, vertex angles. So this diagonal AC will bisect angle DAB. If DAB is bisected by AC, then angle 40 is equal to angle 5. Both these angles will be equal. So here we will use diagonal property of the rhombus. So next angle that we can find directly, that is angle 5 is equal to 40 degree. What is the reason? Diagonal property of the rhombus. Diagonal of a rhombus bisects the angle, bisect the vertex. This is the property of a rhombus. So these two angles will be equal. So angle 5 is equal to angle CAB, that is equal to 40 degree. Now with the help of 5, can you find angle 1 with the same reason? As we have found angle 4 and 40, they were alternate interior. Similarly, angle 5 and angle 1, they are alternate interior because AD and BC sides are parallel. So they will be alternate interior angle. So angle 5 is equal to angle 1, and because angle 5 is equal to 40 degree, so angle 1 is also equal to 40 degree. and here you will give the reason alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angle. So they will be equal. So 5 is equal to 1 and 4 is equal to 40. We have found these angles. So angle 1 is found. Now you have to find angle 3 and angle 2. So here you can see angle 2 is ABC, and if you take DAB means this whole angle. Both these angles are adjacent angles, and adjacent angles are supplementary. So if we add 5 and 40, we will get this whole angle A, and here this whole angle is B. So angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because they are adjacent angles, and adjacent angle of a parallelogram are supplementary. So this property we will use here. In parallelogram ABCD means now we are not taking the part of any angle, but we are taking the whole angle. So in parallelogram ABCD, angle A plus angle B, this is equal to 180 degree. Why? They are adjacent angles, so they will be supplementary. Adjacent angles. But angle A is equal to 40 plus 40. 5 is also equals to 40 degree. We have just found here. So 40 plus 40, angle A is equal to 80 degree. B we have to find. B means angle 2. This is equal to 180 degree. Now angle 2 is to find. So 80 degree we will transpose on right hand side. Therefore angle 2 is equal to 180 degree minus 80 degree, and this is equal to 100 degree. So angle 2 we have found as 100 degree. Okay, that is angle ABC we have found. Now third angle, number 3 angle we have to find now, last. Now you can see what is the connection between angle 2 and angle 3. Can you find this connection? They are opposite angles of a parallelogram, and the opposite angle property of a parallelogram is they are equal. So angle 3 is equal to angle 2, and angle 2 we have found as 100 degree. So angle 3 is also 100 degree. You have to mention here the reason. They are opposite angles. So opposite angle of a parallelogram are equal. The angle 3 is equal to 100 degree. Now you can see we have found all the angles. Angle ACB. ACB means angle 1. What is the measure of angle 1? Angle 1 is equal to 40 degree. Angle ABC. ABC means number 2 angle, and that is its measure is equal to 100 degree. ADC. ADC means angle 3. Angle 3 is equal to angle 2. We have just found it. That is 100 degree. Now ACD. ACD means angle 4. And angle 4 we have found here 40 degree. And the last angle CAD, angle 5, that is also 40 degree. So this is the solution of question number 5. We have to solve all the question in a similar manner. Now we are taking question number 6. In this question you are given a rectangle ABCD and one angle 110 degree. In this you have to find angle ODA, this angle, and angle OCD. This angle you have to find. Now in such question you should see what connection is there between the angle that is to find and the angle which is given. Before that you see if the angle that is to find is in which triangle. So here you can see in triangle ODA, this angle ODA is formed. For the sake of convenience, let's give this angle as number 1. So now in this triangle, can you find another angles? Then you should see the angle which is given. With the help of this angle, you should think why this angle is given, what is the use of this angle in the question. So see, this angle can help you to find this angle of the triangle. Suppose this angle is 2. So if you get this angle, then we will try to find this angle also. So first angle 2 and 110 degree, they are making a linear pair because they are on the same line. So we can find angle 2 easily. So angle 2 is equal to, angle 2 plus angle 110, this is equal to 180. The reason is linear pair. So this way angle 2 is 180 minus 110, and that is equal to 70 degree. So angle 2 is equal to 70 degree we have found. Now what about this angle? If this angle is 3, see, BD and AC, they are the diagonal of the rectangle, and you know diagonal of a rectangle are equal and they bisect also. If they bisect and they are equal, that means OD is equal to OA, isn't it? For example, if BD is equal to 4 centimeter and AC is also 4 centimeter, being the diagonal of the rectangle, if they bisect, bisect means they divide each other into 2 equal parts. So if this whole part is 4, so half part is 2. Similarly, this part is 4, so half part is 2. That means OD is equal to OA. That means they are equal. So we can write here OD is equal to OA in this triangle. In triangle AOD, OD is equal to OA. Reason, diagonal of a rectangle are equal and they bisect each other. So their halves are also equal. This is the reason. You will mention in the bracket. OD is equal to OA. If in a triangle 2 sides are equal, their opposite angles are also equal in an isosceles triangle. So angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Why? Base angles of an isosceles triangle. Do you remember this property of isosceles triangle? I explain you here. Suppose this is triangle ABC and these sides AB is equal to AC. Then the angle B and C, which are formed on the non-parallel sides, they will be equal. So angle opposite to equal sides are also equal. So these angles are called base angles. So in an isosceles triangle, base angles are equal. This property we are using here also, because these 2 sides are equal. So angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Because you don't know angle 3 also. Suppose this is equal to x. So 1 is equal to x and 3 is also x. Now you can use the angle sum property of the triangle. So in triangle OAD, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3, this is equal to 180 degree in this triangle. Okay. Now angle 1 we have taken as x, angle 3 we don't know and we have taken is this as x. But angle 2 value is 70 degree. Put all the values. Here you should mention angle sum property. Angle sum property. Now we have substituted all the values. X plus x is equal to 2x. So 2x is equal to 180 minus 70 degree. It will be transposed. And 180 minus 70, that is equal to 110. Therefore, the value of x we have found 110 divided by 2. That is 55 degree. So 55 degree is the value of x and angle 1 is equal to x. So angle 1, that means ODA is equal to 55 degree. We have found. Now we have to find angle OCD. How you can find angle OCD? Two ways you can find angle OCD. So OCD is an alternate interior angle with this. Suppose this angle is 4 and this angle is 5. Okay. As I told you, see the connection of the angle that is to find with other angle, any other angle. That is angle 4 and 5 if we take, they are alternate interior angle. They will be equal. But how can you find angle 4 in that case? See, this is the vertex angle of the rectangle. And as you know, vertex angle is 90 degree. So this whole angle A, that means DAB is 90 degree. But angle 3, we have just found angle 3 is equal to 55 because 1 and 3 are equal. This is 55. So subtract 55 from 90, you can find angle 4. Okay. Then angle 4 is equal to angle 5. So directly you can find it. So we are taking first angle 3 plus angle 4. Angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 90 degree. Why? Vertex angle of the rectangle. This is vertex angle. But angle 3 is equal to 55. So 55 plus angle 4 is equal to 90 degree. So angle 4 is 90 degree minus 55. Angle 4 is equal to 35. Now angle 4 is equal to angle 5. Why? They are alternate interior angle. Angle 5 is equal to angle 4, that is 35 degree. Why? Because they are alternate interior. So they will be equal. So this way angle OCD we have found 35 degree. Now question number 7. Here ABCD is a parallelogram. These sides are parallel, opposite sides. And the diagonals, they are intersecting at point O. This angle DOA you are given 64 degree. Angle DBC 36 degree. And this angle CDO is given 28 degree. Here you have to find angle OAD, this angle. So this angle is 1. And angle OCD, this angle is 2. These two angles you have to find. Now as and other questions also, I told you have to see if the angle is in a triangle, then what are the other angles of that triangle? So first we are taking angle 1. Now see, this angle 1 is in which triangle? So you can see here in triangle AOD, this angle 1 is formed. Do you know other angles of this triangle? Yes. One angle is given 64 degree, right? So now you should try to find the third angle of this triangle. So there will be definitely another angle that can help you to find the third angle of this triangle. So see in the figure, what is the connection of this angle with any other angle which is given to you. Now this, because you have to find, so this is angle 1. Now here, suppose this angle is 3. So do you have any connection of this angle 3 with any other angle measure that is given to you? Here, angle 3 and angle 36 if you see. Do you know which type of the angles are these? Because these two sides are parallel, so they are alternate interior angle. Yes, and alternate interior angles are equal. So directly we can find the value of angle 3 as 36. When we get this angle 3, 1, 2, 3, then angle sum property you can take, and angle 1 you can find easily. So let's start. Angle 3 is equal to See, all these angles that you are given by numbers, you have to show in your figure. If there is no number in your figure and you are using angle 1 and angle 3, then you will be given 0, because we don't know which angle is 1 in your figure, which angle is 2. So if you are using these numbers to show the angles, you have to show it in your figure, like here I have shown. So angle 3 is equal to 36 degree. What's the reason? Alternate interior angle. Alternate interior angles. Now we can take triangle AOD. So you will mention the triangle that you are taking. In triangle AOD, we add all the angles. So angle 1 plus angle 3 plus 64. All these angles. Their sum will be equal to 180 degree. This is equal to 180 degree. Again, mention the property, the reason. Angle sum. So angle 1 we have to find. Let it be like this. Angle 3 we have just found the value, 36 plus 64. This is equal to 180 degree. That's the sum of 36 and 64, 100 degree. So if we find angle 1 plus 100 degree, this is equal to 180 degree. So you can find angle 1 easily by transposing 100 degree on right hand side. So angle 1 is equal to 80 degree. So first angle we have found, that is angle OAD. This is 80 degree. We got the answer. Now we have to find this angle 2, angle OCD. So again, you will see the triangle in which this angle is formed. So if you can see, this OCD triangle is that triangle where this angle is formed. So angle 2 is to find. One angle is given 28. Can you find the third angle? See, if there is any other angle that can help you to find the third angle, this angle. Yes, there is this 64. How it can help you? 64 and with this angle. Suppose this angle is angle number 4. If you take the sum of 64 and 4, it is a linear pair. So this is equal to 180. So with the help of 64, you can find angle 4 easily. Now let's take this also. So angle 4 plus 64, this is equal to 180 degree. Why this is 180 degree? This is a linear pair. Okay. So now angle 4, by transposing 64, you can find it. Angle 4 is equal to 116 degree. Okay. Now angle 4 is 116 and this is 28. Angle 2 is to find. Now you take angle sum property. So in triangle OCD, 28 plus 116 plus angle 2. This is equal to 180 degree. (144 plus angle 2), this is equal to 180 degree. So angle 2 is equal to 180 minus 144. So angle 2 is equal to 36 degree. So angle 2 means OCD and this is equal to 36 degree. Now in question 8, you are given a square ABCD. In this square, you are given AB is equal to 3x minus 8 and BC is equal to x plus 6. Both the sides of the square are given. You have to find the value of x as well as each side of the square. Now again, you have to recall the property of a square. Which property? Side property. Why? Because here you are given the side of the square. So you will use the side property of a square. Do you remember what is the side property of a square? In a square, all the sides are equal. That means AB is equal to BC, right? So we will use the property. So we are starting. AB is equal to BC. Reason, sides of the square. Sides of a square. So they will be equal. Now if they are equal, the value which is given, that is also equal. Now you can see this value is in variable form. So AB is equal to 3x minus 8 and BC is equal to x plus 6. You can see this is a simple linear equation where we have to find the value of the variable x. No problem, you know how to solve the linear equation. We collect all the variables on one side and all the numbers or constant on one side. So let's collect x on left hand side. Left hand side 3x is already there. We will transpose this x on left hand side. So it will go in subtraction because it is positive here. Now right hand side 6 is already there. See student, when we transpose the term, you have to fix one term on each side. Here we have fixed variable term, so we will not disturb this term 3x. Shifting term we will write afterwards. So this we have done on left hand side. Now if we are working on right hand side term will be fixed. So right hand side term we have fixed as the constant. So constant is 6. So first you will write 6, then the transposed term. So transposing minus 8. So minus 8 will be going as plus 8. Okay. Now 3x minus x, if you add or subtract a variable, same variable, then you will add or subtract just the coefficient of the variable. Coefficient means the number just written before the variable. So here it is 3, here is nothing means 1. So 3 minus 1 is 2 and write the variable as it is. So 3x minus x as 2x. So take the variable like a chocolate. So these are, if x is a chocolate, then these are 3 chocolates and this is 1 chocolate. So you are subtracting 1 chocolate from 3 chocolates, that means 2 chocolates. So like this, 3x minus x is equal to 2x. Now 6 plus 8, this is equal to 14. So x is equal to 14 divided by 2. Why divided by 2? Because 2 is being multiplied by x. So other side it will be going in the denominator. And you can cancel it easily. 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14. So this way we got the value of x is equal to 7. Now you have to find each side also. So AB, all the sides are equal. So you can find any one side and all the sides are equal. So either here you put the value of x or in this form you put the value of x. Both the ways you will get the same answer. So I am showing both the ways. 3x minus 8, this is equal to 3 into x is equal to 7. So substitute the value of x, 7. Multiply in between. Rest everything will be the same. Now according to board was first multiplication. So 21, 7 3s are 21 minus 8. And this is equal to 13 centimeter. So we got one side as 13 centimeter. That means all the sides are equal to 13 centimeter. So each side is equal to, therefore each side is equal to 13 centimeter. You can do with the help of this. Or you can substitute the value here also, then also you will get the same answer. So x plus 6 is equal to 7 plus 6, that is equal to 13 centimeter. So here also you will get the same answer. So all the sides of this square is equal to 13 centimeter. I hope you have understood this question, and in next video I will solve more questions from this exercise.